Hi guys, I think I just found the real cause of my uneven Z layering problem. Okay, so if I probe Z2 here, as you can see, it has an output voltage or Vref of approximately 0.7 volts. Okay, and now if I probe Z1 over here, you can clearly see that it has a very low Vref value of 0.049 volts compared to Z2. And when I turn the potentiometer to adjust the voltage, see the voltage or Vref breaks down at 0.049 volts, being the maximum output. Okay, so let me do it again for you guys. And once it reaches 0.049 volts, it breaks down. Okay? Here in this video, I tested manually moving the Z-axis and tried to see and feel what the corresponding movements are. Based on the test, Z2 was moving normally, but Z1 has this extra jerking movement which causes it to randomly move up and down during the movement. Since there is a Z-sync belt for the X1, a movement from the Z2 will be reflected onto Z1 and vice versa. A quick fix I did was I temporarily replaced both the Z stepper motor drivers with an A4988 and the problem went away completely. Here are two quick vase mode prints to check whether or not the applied fix was effective, and as you can see, the prints turned out quite nice. Before I applied this fix, I can't even get a good result when printing in vase mode. So if ever you are experiencing the same problem as mine, go check your stepper motor drivers. If you like the content of this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Have a nice day. Bye!